Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Cisco. If interested, then listen. Cisco comprises of CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, in which first is routers and switches, second is security, then comes wireless, then comes VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Then we have CCNP, Cisco Certified Networking Professional. And finally, we have Cisco Certified Internet Engineer, CCIE. Internet work. If Bob has IP address of class C 192.168.10.1, if he wants to communicate to Sally, NetBIOS name from IP address to MAC address, media access control address, for which we have to use hubs, switches, routers, bridges, repeaters, etc. I'll give you more information later. Thank you.